Good morning. Well, this is where it all starts here. I am just finishing up with my coffee this morning, and then we'll get out the door, packing up a few last minute things, and we'll meet the guys outside here in just a few minutes. To give the weather report now, George, like Matt's off-road recovery.
It's 71 and sunny.
All right, perfect. Well, here we are again. We're back at it. We're on the second cabin, K2, I guess. We haven't picked a name yet. We are going to tear out the subfloor today and see what's in the crawl space. I'm sure we'll find all kinds of fun things. We are going to pour concrete in the crawl space, assuming it doesn't have it. Put some Visqueen down. We'll seal it up that way, keep the dirt floor. It's good for radon gas, moisture, things like that. And then we're going to resheet that floor with some new subfloor. There's a little bit of mold in this cabin. I want to be sure that between the spray foam insulation we're going to put on the underside of the roof sheeting, do the crawl space walls. We're replacing the exterior sheeting. Most of this cabin will be new, but anything that is saved, that kind of stuff will be encapsulated. So that'll be good.
That's it!
Well, I just got back from the landfill, covered in dirt there. But you could see these guys here, they really got quite a bit of the house demoed. This front wall, all the sheeting's coming off all the walls. We'll do them one at a time. Frame the window and door openings in there, because if you do it now, the house won't have any shear, might fall over. So we'll do one wall at a time. We wanted to start with this front wall because we are going to pour concrete in the crawl space, and that'll give us great access for the truck. They've got front discharge trucks here in Kentucky. He could pull right up to the house, put his chute right in the front. I've got another short chute that we can use if we need. We'll just bomb a slurry in the crawl space, but let's go take a look at that. This is inside this crawl space. There's a lot of dirt and debris and musty junk in there, but we are going to go ahead and pour some concrete down here. So you can see most of it has some black plastic down there, and that'll be fine. We're going to cover it with concrete. We're going to cover right over all this debris and stuff. You know, we're not trying to make a driveway. We're just trying to encapsulate the moisture, cover it up. So a few spots that we need to do that don't have any. And then there's like a big access hole you could see right there. Goes under the porch. We'll leave that in there, make a door for it. This one down here is going to have to get closed up, and a couple of the vents. But when we are all finished, this will have concrete in the floor. The surface on top of these joists will get new plywood. It's actually sitting right there. That's at Vantech. So that's great stuff. And all of these walls on the outside, we're going to go through, and like you could see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a vent right there. We're going to plug it up, and I'm going to have all the walls and the rim joist all the way underside of the sheeting, from concrete to plywood, spray foamed around the whole perimeter. Be great insulation. It'll also seal it all up. Any mold or anything that's in there will get encapsulated, keep the creepy crawlies out. Which actually, to another point, you can see a lot of discoloration up here. I'm not sure how much of it's mold and how much is insulation dust. We did spray it with an antimicrobial, which we'll do on everything here as well. But we will do a hot roof and spray foam the underside of that plywood up there. So that way, if there is anything up there that might pose a threat, it gets encapsulated as well. How's your musk mask? Your musk mask? How's your mush mask working? I just caught that on video. Yeah. Perfect. Oh, you're filming. I didn't know. So it's kind of loud.
They're gonna collapse.
It's gonna take a month.
All the walls out, huh?
Man, what a beautiful time we're having here. You could see, where is it? Right there is a mountain behind me. All the trees are changing. It's just gorgeous here. But that's about it for us today. We're wrapping it up, and we're gonna go get some dinner. Demo is just about done. We're gonna start putting it back together tomorrow. I was hoping we could get concrete tomorrow, but the plant was closed by the time I called. So we'll just have to wait until the next day. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back at it again tomorrow. I'll bring you along with. Hope you come. Bye.